Hello guys, I'm Mary Orange. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make fried tofu for my lunch. Going to add 1 egg, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of rice flour. I'm going to mix it with the egg. I'm going to add a little bit water first. And I'm going to add a little bit more water. I think that's it. Going to mix it well. Okay, so now I going to add teaspoon of coriander, add some turmeric, 1 pieces of garlic, add some lime leaf, add teaspoon of salt. Going to smash it. Almost done. Okay guys, this is carrot. I already shredded it. This is rice noodle. I'm going to mix it with the carrot. The spices I'm going to divide into. The half I'm going to put in the noodle. The another half I'm going to put in the flour. And add teaspoon beef flavor. Add teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix it well. In the noodle I add half teaspoon of beef flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix it. Okay guys, this is tofu, so I'm going to cut like 6 pieces. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to cut the tofu in half. So I'm going to put the noodle in the middle of the tofu. Okay. Okay, another one. I'm going to cut in half. And I put the noodle in the middle of the tofu. Okay, done guys. Now I'm going to fry. So the heat I'm going to put number 5. I'm going to put some oil right now. Okay, I'm going to fry right now. Going to flip it all of them. Wait a little bit more guys. Going to flip it one more time. Almost done, guys. Okay, all done, guys. Right now I'm going to take off all of them. All done. I'm going to put in the plate right now. All done, guys. I'm going to try it right now. Tastes so delicious, guys. And eating with the chili, tastes so delicious, guys. Hold on, guys. Wait, don't leave. I show you something, okay? I have two birthday, guys. Usually when I'm cooking, both of them chi chi cha cha, chi chi cha cha. But today both of them so quiet. Not even chi chi cha cha today. The green one, I call him baby boy, so his name is baby boy. And the blue one, his name is Falcon. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.